at Parc Asterix.
Welcome.
Right, and that's it. We're through security and we're in the park. If you haven't already, please check out Toutatis or the Toutatis coaster preview vlog.
Chris, shop.
No, not going there first. Yeah, I'll leave a link in the description to that video, but yeah, very impressive. That is the mad rush going to Toutatis. We've decided not to do that first. Obviously in our vlog, I've got the GoPro on today, so you will be getting POVs from all the rides. Be able to take you on, but yeah. Just come off of Level D'Icare. Sorry if we've just butchered it.
That was horrific.
It wasn't horrific. There's a horrible jolt on it. It's an old coaster. It was okay.
Sudden braking. It was horrific.
Yeah, it wasn't the best, but you have to say it's very beautifully well themed Greek area actually. Look at that Vekoma over there. It would be rude not to go and have a look at this statue.
Wait, who lives in a pineapple under?
I don't know, who does live under a pineapple under? Oh, there we go. Tonnerre de Zeus with the backward seats. Oh, that sounds awful.
Why does he look so surprised?
I don't know. He's throwing these daggers at you, but if we walk under here we go. The big reveal. He's wearing pants, duck pants, so I'm not sure if it's going to open today or not, but that is the sky bar, so that goes up all the way up there, and I believe it even extends a bit further. I hope you're not scared of heights.
6:45.
Here we go, here's some of the...
To be fair...
The drink price, oh look at the Coke. $7.80 for a Coke. That's...
But you may as well just get a cocktail for €10.
Yeah, cocktails aren't too bad. Beers, $12.9. Rather expensive. But it's the experience you're paying for, I guess. Not sure if we mentioned it as well. Park hours are 10 a.m. until 7 p.m. I believe. Not sure if we're staying that late, but yeah, it's fairly good, decent park hours to be fair. Look at the theming. It's everywhere. This is a proper theme park. A proper theme park. With themed areas, and you can clearly see where the themed areas are. It's really good. And there's a big pineapple, which on a really nice hot summer's day would be nice to set out. There's a gondola. Everything seems to be shut at the minute, which is really annoying. This is a bit Harry Potter-ish. Right, so our next ride that we're doing after our nice coffee is Tonnerre de Zeus. Yes, this has been retracked by the Gravity Group, I believe. Now I'm trying to talk babble, I have no idea really. Let's make it up. But yeah, you can sort of see new track. Here we go. It's Tonnerre de Zeus.
Is this gonna hurt?
This is gonna hurt. Oh shit.
Oh my god!
Here we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah, Tonnerre de Zeus. Nice wooden roller coaster. What did you think, Hayley?
I really enjoyed that. I thought that was really good.
It was bumpy. It wasn't rough, it was
There
bumpy.
was a bit where it didn't catch properly, and I literally
Yeah,
shit
it was just on the
myself.
lift hill.
But that was incredible.
It was
It's
okay.
My new top wooden coaster.
I mean, the POV of it, of us doing it, makes it look a lot bumpier, and I was
I
a bit
wouldn't-
scared because of the GoPro. Just
I wouldn't ride it backwards though. I think that would be quite painful. We
different.
said that we may do it, we may not.
we don't know. But I think we're heading over to this Vekoma.
Oh my god, we're gonna die.
We may well die.
But
Right, so we've just had our lunch, and now we're probably going on the roughest coaster in the park, Goudurix. Take you on for the ride.
Hey mate, come back in faster.
Here we go.
I'm wobbling already.
Whoa! Ah! Ah! Oh my word! Ready? Oh shit! Whoa! Whoa! Well, we have just come off of Goudurix, the Vekoma.
don't do it.
It's not.
Killed, no.
You just seen from the POV, it's not the smoothest, and it's got like headrests at the back that is soft because you bang your head, you bang your ears.
Yeah, it's
Game
not the
over.
best.
Game over. Hey, wants to look in this sweet shop. Oh, look at the mugs.
That's a big one. Oh, have you seen this mug here? Look at this. Look, smack, and it's curved in. Looks like it's been smacked.
That's clever.
That's really cool.
Parc Asterix cookbook.
The big mug was €14. Not bad.
That's not bad at all.
No.
Choo choo. What are we doing next, Hayley?
La Oxygenarium. Let's go!
It's a water ride, a little bit like Storm Surge at Thor.
Whoa! Oh my god!
Well, this is a little bit bigger than.
There's the blue, water blue.
Why is the
Here we go. Oh, Jesus!
Nearly died.
Oh! Oh my God! Oh, Jesus!
Oh, here's the drop! Ah!
What? Oh my God! No!
Down! That's on me!
No! Oh. So we just come off of the Oxygenarium,
I
otherwise,
really enjoyed that.
otherwise known as Storm Surge 2.0.
No, that was better than Storm Surge. Don't even compare it. The only comparison is the boat's the same.
Both the same. It was a good ride. It was
The
good
thought,
rapid.
take go.
Yeah,
no water in the bottom of the
water in
boat.
It was good. This looks rather impressive. Another B&M coaster like Nemesis at Towers, just obviously a bit bigger, I'd say, and a bit longer.
We're going to Osiris.
Are we going to Osiris? Is that what that is?
Osiris.
Osiris? Look at the theming. It's amazing. It's time to go and ride Osiris. Like Nemesis, but not Nemesis. It looks better than Nemesis. Osiris, Hayley.
Yes. The one thing I've noticed, just saying it out loud, is that obviously I got a pin just then.
Yeah.
There's not any ride-specific merch.
No,
so far.
I'm waiting for like a major shop. There's no
Well,
major
we've
shop.
got the main shop at the beginning.
Maybe they'll be in there because we haven't
But there
seen.
are shops scattered about everywhere.
Yeah, but they're all
If I had
selling.
my way, fuck the rides, I want to go in the shops, but yeah, well, I'm sure we'll find some because I would quite like merch, like or
Yeah, I
a pin
want-
badge for every
Or a
ride.
t-shirt, or you know, there's not even really been any hoodies.
No, it's all Parc Asterix.
Yeah, so which try and find some. But anyway,
Let's go.
let's go on OzIris. Oh wow. Yeehaw. So we've just come off of OzIris. For me, that is the best B&M invert that I've done. What do you think, Hayley?
Oh, that was incredible. That beats Nemesis.
Yeah, it does beat Nemesis for us.
Come at me.
Yeah, just going under like the different like the fountains, a few near misses. It carries its speed so well.
Good.
It is so good, so good. So our next ride, we're going on this little kids boat. Quite a big drop. Just come off of SOS Numérobis something. Okay, nice kids coaster. Could be better if it was 2 lap special. It is absolutely gorgeous around in this park. It could almost be a 2-day park. I really do feel it. But yeah, everything is themed so well. It's a proper theme park. Love it. We're going to go inside the coliseum.
Triomphe à notre animatrice préférée, Léa Jacques.
Highlights there of this show, circus show. Okay, just not very international friendly. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. What do you think of the show, Hayley?
I quite enjoyed it.
It was okay.
Apart from the person sitting behind me kept kicking me in the back.
Yeah, you won't sit on the seats, you just start to sit
very
on the steps.
claustrophobic seating wise. But other than that, the show itself was really good.
It wasn't very international friendly though.
No.
Was it? It didn't really know what was going on.
I knew the numbers.
But it was alright, and there was a dog, a cute dog at the end.
Oh, the dog, I wanted to kidnap it.
Yeah, it looked a little bit like a
Or dog
bestie.
nap it.
Yeah.
I think it was a bestie.
Yeah, very cute. But yes, on to another ride.
Pégase Express, let's go.
Pegasus, for a family ride, it's quite forceful. Did you enjoy it, Hayley?
Yeah, it was good. It wasn't what I expected it to be, but it was better than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, it's very good. On to the next one, wherever we're going. Probably re-rides now, we've done all the coasters. I changed my mind on Tonnerre de Zeus. That was awful.
I actually quite enjoyed it.
Oh.
It wasn't as good as the first time, but the first time we were at the front.
Further
At the
front.
back it's rougher.
It's a lot
100%.
rougher. It's like
Ah,
it's like
still
a
up there.
Nash. No, it's too bumpy. It's awful. Bloody awful. rude not to have another ride on OzIris. Wow, just had a back row ride on OzIris. That's quick. That is very quick. Definitely a back row ride for me. But yeah, really good. Here's a quick look at the pins. It's the one that we've already got, and then you just got some characters. Hayley, come here, come here, come here, come here.
That's domestic violence.
Did someone say Viking?
Interesting stuff. Okay, we have found the main gift shop with all the ride merch in it. So Hayley just bought a bit. She's got a nice bag.
It's
Come
free.
on, it's free. Wow, you don't get that back at home. So,
That's the end of our day at Parc Asterix. It was actually pretty good.
it was okay. I quite enjoyed the park. It was very well themed, and the rides were pretty good. Pretty good.
Would you come again?
Not in a hurry. I would for toutatis, because that's toutatis. It's a good ride.
Yeah, but it's definitely a back row ride.
It's definitely a back road ride. The BMW Zeus, I think it's Zeus. That was,
You mean the VM?
yeah, BMW. I don't know. It's late. It's getting late. I'm tired. I've had a long day.
There's good rides, there's good stuff to do.
There's good stuff to. I'm glad I've come.
It's a big park, but
Plenty of water rides. I'm glad we've come. I'm not in a hurry to come back. We've done it. We've ticked it off. On to the next one. Please like. Please subscribe.
thanks for watching.
And we'll see you later.
Bye.